Namaste, bhai sahab. Thank you.
Dhobi Ghat is 750 stones.
Hello world and namaste, dosto. Welcome to another vlog here in Mumbai. With this one, I really wanted to visit the biggest outdoor laundry in Mumbai, maybe even the world, I don't know. And it's called Dhobi Ghat. It's a series of kind of concrete swimming pools, if you wish, small swimming pools where people wash clothes. Each pool is owned by a family. Apparently they have a really interesting sorting system, which is all done by hand. So let's go have a look. Alright, so from the viewing platform, you go down some steps and around. Hello, sir.
Look up, is a visit tour inside?
What?
Is a visit tour inside?
Okay.
Is a picture?
Yes, picture. Yeah.
Yes.
But I don't want, no, I just go be. Just go look.
No,
Okay.
no, allowed, sir. Please, it is selfie free.
Huh?
Top, it's a top free. Top.
Top
Selfie
free.
Free. It
And
is
here?
inside family, it's a charges.
But I will not bother them. It's okay. I will not bother them. Thank you,
Hello,
sir.
it's a guide.
Which guy?
Hello, it's a guide.
No guide. I'm okay.
From which country?
Romania.
Romania.
Ah,
You can go.
thank you,
No
sir.
problem.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so these guys are trying to sell me a tour. Namaste. Namaste. Okay, okay. I've got a washing and an ironing station here. Hi.
हाय हेलो
आपका नाम क्या है?
सलमान नाम पूछो
Salman. Okay, good, very good.
संसार
Samcha, Samcha. Okay. मेरा नाम वाल, Samcha.
को ज्यादा
Okay. हाँ?
150
150. Thank you. Okay, धन्यवाद भाई साहब. Okay. I go to Dhobi Ghat and give children. And look. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
ये क्या है
Hey guys.
ये ताकि
Acha, acha. One, okay? One, okay. One, egg, one. Okay. No, egg.
एक और दो ना, one piece और.
No guide. It's okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So this is a automatic washing machine. Anil Dhobi. Anil. I brought some sweets, so hopefully I can like infiltrate and get some information about some of this stuff. Okay. Hello. Egg. Okay. Egg. Okay. Dhanyavad. Okay. You want?
Yes.
Chocolate. Okay. Hey. No. Egg. No, egg. No, egg. No. Okay, finish. Only for children. No. Okay. Woo! The sweets, they were really popular with the kids, obviously. And here's a man beating the clothes, white clothes. नमस्ते भाई साहब, नमस्ते. ओके. कैसे हो? अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. Sweet? Okay, okay. I'm bribing them with some sweets. I'm just walking around here. These guys are doing their thing. I'm hoping to be able to get in one of the washing areas. It's all open drainage, as you can see. Initially the water came from I guess springs or wells or natural sources, and now the water comes from the municipality. Let's see here. Some of it is automated. They've got these washing machines. Some of them are doing it, as you've seen that guy, by hand. And I guess each family, no photo. Okay. Little shrine.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It's for the children.
You're from
Me from Romania.
Romania.
Romania, yes. Yeah, that guy was doing his own laundry. He was in his underwear, so I guess that's one way to do it. This place is actually quite big. From the viewing platform, you don't really get like the depth of it, but it just keeps going. Oh, we've got some color here. We've got some blue. We've got some blue water here, so I guess potentially this is the jeans section. It's not an unpleasant environment, but I guess with more heat you get a lot more humidity. We have, oh my god, Lakshmi and Ganesh. I think I need to check. Lakshmi and Ganesh. Lakshmi, Ganesh. Okay. This is yours. This you. Okay. And for business, hotel, restaurant. No? Yes. Yes. What other business? Hotel, restaurant. Which?
Only for caterers.
Caterers. Okay, fantastic. Okay, thank you, sir. Oh, this smells really fresh. Like these have been dried. Like dry clothes, you know, when you take them out of the tumble dryer. Yeah, we definitely need to go up one level to see the drying section, because those clothes, they smell so fresh. Yes. Let's go up.
One egg.
Egg. Okay. No, egg.
Only one.
I want to see the dry, where they dry in the sun. Is possible? Where they dry the clothes in the sun? Where?
ऊपर मुकला ऊपर से.
Where? Like this. Okay. This way? Can I go here?
You are here?
Okay. Namaste, bhai sahab. Thank you. Hello. Toffee. Can I see here? Possible? Okay. Namaste, bhai sahab. Thank you. Show me. Where are you, my friend? आपका नाम क्या है? नाम.
My mother Dashrath.
Dashrath.
Mother.
Your mother is Dashrath. Dashrath Dhobi.
Family.
Family Dhobi. Okay. मेरा नाम Valentin.
This country.
Romania. Smell very nice. Smell very good. How do you know this restaurant, this hotel? How do you know? What's your system? Label. Can I see? Show me.
Label.
Show me the label. Street. This hotel. Okay, bhai sahab.
Drinking.
No drinking.
This one.
This is your system.
Yes.
Okay. What does this mean? Restaurant.
This number.
Number. Hey. Ek. Okay.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Tora music. Hindi. I want to help you. Okay.
Yes.
Help. Fold. Yes. Sunchu.
Watching.
Come.
Show me. 1, ek, 2. Okay. And then here. Okay. No? What do you-
English Mafi.
English mappy. No English.
No laundry.
No laundry.
Laundry.
Okay.
Engineer posting.
Engineer first thing. I don't understand, my friend. I don't understand.
Goragadh came late.
I don't understand, bhai sahab. I don't understand.
టీ ఒక ముల్లి టీ పెట్టేస్తారు తాంబాకట
Here is nice and fresh. There's less like smells. It's just fresh laundry smells. But down there is a lot cooler. Okay, down there is a lot cooler and it's a lot nicer. I finished folding the pillowcases, so I think I'm done. I will go. Dhanyabad. This way, like this? Come. Okay. You want?
Your name?
मेरा नाम वाल. वाल Valentin.
Holland in which country?
Romania.
Romania.
Romania भाई साहब. Okay. Romania, Romania. You?
Indian.
Indian. You from here, from Mumbai?
Yeah.
Mumbai. Okay. Ek, na, ek. So these guys just offered me a coffee. Thank you. I think the sweets worked with the adults more than the children. Like the children used about 60% and then the last, I don't know, 40%. I've been giving it to adults. This is coffee, yes?
Yes.
Nescafe. Okay. We're gonna have coffee here in these little cups. Small coffee. Oh my god, it's so hot. Ah.
Chocolate is box.
Yes, take.
No, thank you.
Do you do washing and drying or do you only do drying and only washing? Is it
No.
separate
Then,
Together.
All work on separate. All included in work.
in your work?
Washing, drying, separating. Wash this inside machine.
Yes.
Down.
And then dry.
Then dry and up and start.
Same person.
Same process.
Okay, sir.
Daily.
Every
Same
day?
rotation.
Every day. How many hours per day do you work? What time you start?
Coming in water 4 o'clock morning early.
Early
And
morning.
Finishing time is 11 o'clock. Water pressure is very strong.
And then 11 to noon you do your drying,
Yes.
and then you do delivery or they come and collect.
Coming in night 8 o'clock the delivery night.
You know how many families? Number of families?
So many. This Dhobi Ghat is 750 stones.
750 pools.
Pools.
750
Boxes,
pools. Boxes.
stones.
Yeah.
Stones.
Yes.
And families are all 600 or 400 families. Other families are all go to homes in villages, not working this side.
What is the monthly payment to rent a stone?
15,000,
15,000,
10,000.
10,000, 15,000.
Minimum.
Okay. It's affordable for you? It's okay? Price okay?
Affordable price.
Affordable price. Okay. Okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much
Have a
for
nice
the
day.
information.
Thank you.
Everyone's super friendly and they seem to specialize, like there's like the jeans section, the whites section, like the colorful section. All right, and that was the Dhobi Ghat. Yeah. That's it. I'll see you in the next one.